And also you think that it's really, really heavy, but it's not. It's really, really light. The only thing in the instructions I was just reading is it says to push down the button 1 to 2 times shortly throughout the whole thing, kind of like that. But I kept finding I was like holding it down, then I'd forget about it, then I'd stop doing it, then I'd remember. So it's kind of a bit of remembering to do. But if you've got your hand there, it's pretty good. Okay, let's see if it's made my hair any shinier. I haven't really got a mirror. I've got really, look at that hairbrush. Ew, gross. I have to get the hair out. It's one of those things that you never get around to doing. Let's have a look. Well, I'm just looking in the TV. But it feels really nice. It feels quite glossy. Well, sometimes when I dry my hair it feels really dry, whereas it feels quite glossy. Yeah, thumbs up for the hairdryer. Good, I'll be using that from now. Much better than this old thing that makes it dry and takes about an hour. It's quite quick. Yeah. I wonder how long the cartridges last if you have to change them. Not bad, not bad. All right. So next we've got the straighteners. Let's see if they can make this horrible mop into something more sleek.